Hey guys, welcome back with another study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss that if you find this problem that when you open your WhatsApp you find a problem that you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. So how can you fix this problem? So guys, we can easily and simply fix this problem. So first of all guys, you may go back, and guys, if you are using GB WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp or any other WhatsApp that is not official, so guys, first of all you may uninstall that WhatsApp. So guys, if you don't want to uninstall that app, you may open any browser like Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser, and you may update that WhatsApp. So guys, if you are using GB WhatsApp, you may update it on gb.whatsapp and update it from here. And guys, if you're using FM or any other WhatsApp, you may update from their servers. So guys, if after updating, if you find this problem again, you must uninstall that app. So because if you will use it continuously, your number will be blocked or banned permanently through official WhatsApp. And guys, after this guys, you may open your Google Play Store, and in search bar you may write here WhatsApp, and guys, you may open WhatsApp, and guys, you may download and install the WhatsApp from here, and click on open and create your account on WhatsApp here. So after guys using your official WhatsApp, you will be able to create your account. And if on official WhatsApp you will face this problem, then guys, you may go back and open browser again, and guys, you may write in search bar uh, WhatsApp support. So yeah, let's check. So open first link. So guys, if you're using WhatsApp Messenger, you may click on contact us, and then guys, you may write here phone number, email address, confirm email address, and select your gadget and write about your problem, and guys, send to WhatsApp that hey WhatsApp, I am facing this problem in my account, please fix it as soon as possible. So after this guys, WhatsApp will fix your problem within 24 to 48 hours, and you can use your WhatsApp easily. So by this method guys, you can fix this problem easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.